Well, she was all tears yesterday, all smiles today. We saw a new face of Dee Moore at her murder trial in Tampa today. And now everyone is asking if she'll take the stand in her own defense. It's a risky move, but Fox 13's Gloria Gomez says Moore just might do it. Gloria?
She might, and in a way, Chip, she's actually been sort of communicating with this jury already with her gestures, her facial expressions, her smiles, her tears. But now she may actually want to talk to this jury and tell them exactly what happened to Abraham Shakespeare.
Use real-time payroll.
Dee Moore was all smiles. As a financial expert told the jury, Moore withdrew $1.3 million from Shakespeare's bank accounts, basically cleaning them out in 60 days after the two met.
The $200,000 here, the $250,000 here.
But earlier, the jury heard about more cover-ups and fall guys. Mike Smith, an undercover detective in Lake Wales, testified that he met Dee Moore after Shakespeare disappeared and told her he would take the fall for Abraham's murder if she paid him $50,000. He explained he was already going to prison for another crime and wanted the money to go to his family. On a secretly recorded tape, Dee is heard telling the undercover cop he would be famous if he took the fall.
Well, I can tell you, if you do this, you're going to be a very popular person. You're going to be a legend, and you're going to be in a book, and probably on the Oprah show.
During today's testimony, Moore appeared happy and giddy, a stark contrast to yesterday's courtroom meltdown. There's a strong possibility Dee Moore may testify, despite what her legal team may be advising her.
Well, every time a client gets on a stand, it's a gamble. In her mind, however, it's a gamble for her not to take the stand.
Attorney Anthony Rickman, who has no connection to this case, says it's a gamble Dee Moore may be willing to take to avoid a life behind bars.
She may be in a position where, well, this is all I have. This is my Hail Mary, to put it in football terms, and I'm going to testify. She's a person who's shown erratic behavior on the stand, so it could go bad for her, essentially.
Now, Chip, there is one more witness on the stand right now, and then the prosecution is supposed to wrap up their case. We're actually standing by, waiting to see, because once that happens, then the defense will have their turn, and we'll find out tonight if Dee Moore will be taking the stand in her own defense. Chip?
All right, thanks a lot, Gloria. We'll let you get right back in there.